Today we will continue with the fourth lesson in chapter 5, the distributive property. What we're going to do today, we'll solve questions about distributive property and simplifying expressions, and also we will have a real life problem. Okay, please open your books, page 223. I will ask a question. If you have the answer to my question, please raise your hand. 3 multiplied by the quantity x plus 2 equals 3x plus what? If you have the answer, raise your hand. Okay, Mustafa?
Yes, teacher. It will be 3x plus 2.
Plus what?
2.
2. Okay, thank you, Mustafa.
Yes.
Talal?
I'm here.
Yes, what is your answer?
3x plus 5.
5. Okay, I understand you, Mustafa. You said 2 because we have 2 here already. But I don't get it. Why it's 5, Talal? Okay, let's see. We use distributive property to multiply 3 by the first term and multiply 3 by the second term. So we should multiply 3 by the first and multiply 3 by the second. When we multiply 3 times x, it's 3x. And now we should multiply 3 by the second term. What is 3 times 2?
6. And teacher, I'm sorry to be late, but I was in the mosque.
Okay, Saad, welcome, my hero. So the answer is 6. Again, my heroes, why? Because we should multiply 3 by the first term and multiply 3 by the second term. This is distributive property. Any problems?
No, teacher.
Okay, now we need to solve these two questions. We need to simplify these expressions. Let's solve question number 5. In question number 5, we have 8 plus 3z minus z. Do we have like terms, Kareem? كريم الحرة فهد الذرمان علي عمر
Teacher, Fahad, join now.
Fahad, can
No,
you hear me?
mister, it gets me out, mister.
Okay, Fahad, go ahead.
Which question, mister? Because I have wrong with my internet.
Okay, we are solving question number 5. This question.
8 plus 3 z minus z.
Do we have like terms? What is the meaning of like terms? Do you know?
Actually, no.
Okay, can anyone help me and tell me what's the meaning of like terms? Like terms means they have the same variable with the same exponent. So again, what's the meaning of like terms, Fahad?
The same volume and
Variable. Letter.
available. Sorry.
Variable.
The same variable.
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 With the
Variable.
same exponent. Exponent means
It's
like this
exponent.
one. This is y power 2. The exponent is
Y.
2. Okay, so I need the same variable, the same letter, with the same power or exponent. So here we have two like terms. Yes, exactly. 3z and z. Okay, let's combine them. Combine means we add or subtract them as it takes, as the question needs. Okay, so this is 3z minus z. What's the coefficient of z here? This z. What is the coefficient? What's the number here?
3.
If you don't have a coefficient, so the coefficient is 1. So it's 3z minus 1z. What is 3 minus 1?
3 minus 1, 2.
So 3z minus z equals 2z.
2z.
And don't forget about the constant here,
Plus
the 8.
8.
So 8 plus 2z. Thank you, my hero.
Welcome, Mr.
Ali Omar.
Yes, teacher.
In the next question, Ali, we have 3 multiplied by the quantity b plus 5 plus b plus 2. So we need to simplify the expression. So we should first start by multiplying. Yes, 3 by the first term and the second term. Okay, let's do it. 3 times b.
3b.
And 3 times 5 plus, of course, 3 times 5, 15. It's plus because we don't change the sign. If it's plus, we use plus. If it's minus, we use minus. Okay, now we have left b plus 2. We should write them. So plus b plus 2. Now, do you have any like terms to combine?
Yes.
Okay, which terms are like?
3b and b.
Okay, and also we have 15, which is a constant, and 2 is a constant. So the constants are also like terms. Okay, let's start first with 3b plus b. Remember, Ali, if you don't have any coefficients, so the coefficient is 1. So 3b plus 1b.
4b.
4b, excellent. And now 15 plus 2.
17.
So the expression is 4b plus 17. Thank you, Ali. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
Yeah, Mr. موافي. Mr. Me,
This is not a problem, Wafi. Muhammad?
Mr. Me. Mr. When we do 3b plus 1 and 2 plus 15, how to be 3b plus 15? Why is 2 this? 3b1 and 2, 15.
3b plus 1b equals?
What is the 1?
If you don't have a coefficient, so the coefficient is 1, like question number 5 here. So the coefficient here is 1. If you don't have any coefficient, so the coefficient is 1. Okay?
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, Saad?
This lesson about distributive property.
Yes, we have 2 parts in this lesson, the distributive property and combining like terms.
Okay.
Okay, my heroes. And of course, Wafi, I'm calling the names, so inshallah I will call your name. Now, my heroes, this is the homework. This is your homework in Classera. We need to check it together because I see
Teacher,
that you have many problems.
I do it.
Okay, if you did it, it's okay. But I'll solve it with you because I see that you have many problems with this homework. So let's start with the first question. Ali. Ali. Saad?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Saad. Which of the following are like terms?
This is all the question that I do it wrong. But can you explain the question, teacher?
You should understand first what's the meaning of like terms. Like terms means you are using the same variable, letter, and the same exponent for this letter. So, which two of these are like terms?
It's 3x point 5x.
This is not point, this is comma. 3x and 5x. Exactly.
Yes.
Thank you, Saad. So, my heroes, this one is the correct one because we have the same variable. And for the first one, we have 3x and 5. 5 is constant. So these two are not like terms. And here in the third one, we have x and y. So these are not like terms. And for the last one, we have also constant, and in the second term, we have variable, which is x. So the only correct one is the second one. Okay, my heroes, when we are solving, if you have any problems with any question, you can use your mic. Don't worry. You can use your mic and you can ask. But when we finish solving the question. Okay, so do not interrupt me and do not interrupt any of your friends. But when we finish the question, it's okay to ask. Talal? Wafi?
Yes, mister, I'm here.
Okay, Wafi, go ahead.
Which of the following is equivalent to 3x
multiplied by the quantity x plus 10. So we should use
the first one.
Distributive property. Oh, the first one. Why? You should multiply 3 by the first term and multiply 3 by the second term.
Equals 3x.
So 3 times x equals 3x. And 3 times 10
equals 30.
Yes, so the first one is 3x. And the second one, 3 times 10 equals 30. So the correct choice is this one. Thank you, my hero. As I said, my heroes, if you have any problems with any question, when I finish solving the question, you can ask. In the next question, Hashim Bouali. Hashim? Nawaf?
Yes.
Okay, Nawaf. 3 times the quantity b plus 6.
Here.
Okay, Mr. Wait, okay. First thing plus 3 plus, 3 times 6.
You will multiply 3 by the second term and you will not multiply by the first term?
No, I'll multiply by the first term. So
you should multiply by the first and also multiply it by the second. So 3 times the first, then 3 times the second.
It will be 3. It is the first one. 3b plus 18.
Exactly. Excellent.
Because 3 times b equals 3b, and 3 times 6 equals 18, 3b plus 18.
Excellent, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
Mister, did you say my name?
This is not a problem. You cannot ask this question, Muhammad. When I call you, respond. Otherwise, you will get a note. So you don't need to ask. Nasrallah? 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 Mustafa? Mustafa?
Yes, teacher.
Which expression is equivalent to 2p plus 4 plus 5b plus 2?
You will add these questions like this number.
Your sound is not clear.
We will add
Yes?
2p plus 4 is
Okay, you will add 2b plus 4. Are these two like terms?
no, teacher, 2p and 5p.
Exactly, you should add the like terms 2b plus 5b. And the 4 here, the constant, is the same as this constant. They are like terms. Okay, go ahead. 2p plus 5b, 7p plus, exactly, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Thank you, Mustafa. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No, Mister, this is super easy.
Okay, the next question here. Muhammad Mohsen.
Alright. 4a plus 9 plus 1.
Not
First
1,
one,
this is a.
at the a, we'll put 1.
Oh, at the a, we will put 1 here, the coefficient, okay.
Yes. Then it will be 4 plus this. 4 plus 1a, it will be 5a. Then it will be 5a plus 9.
Exactly, thank you, Muhammad. So the expression is 5a plus 9, this one. Any problems? Okay.
Teacher,
Yes?
what's the answer for number 1?
When I finish, I can go back to question number 1. Muhammad Qasim? Muhammad Qasim?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad, in this question we need to simplify 3x plus x plus 2x.
X plus 2x.
These three terms, do we have like terms?
Yes.
Of course. Which terms are like? The like terms are using the same variable.
Using the same.
So 3x, x, and 2x, they are all like terms. So just add them. Of course, if we don't have a coefficient, so what is the coefficient of this one?
1.
Of course. So we have here 1. Okay. Three x plus 1x plus 2x. Add the coefficients. 3 plus 1 plus 2.
2 equals 6.
Okay. So the answer is 6. What?
X.
6x. So the correct choice is this one. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, my heroes, any problems? I have a question here. Why this one is wrong? The last one. Why it's wrong? If you can tell me the reason, use your mic.
Mr.
Mr.
What?
I've not heard you. What is the question?
Why this one is wrong? This one is wrong. Why?
Mister, because they think because there is 3 up.
Okay, what is the meaning of the 3 in the exponent?
It should be the power, a power.
A power.
A power, Mr.
So this
we
means
must-
it's 6 multiplied by
It should be 6
x multiplied by
x.
x multiplied by x. And of course it's wrong. This is not the correct answer because in the question we have only x power 1, only x, not x power 3. So we do not multiply. When you add, do not raise or do not increase the power. Do not change the power, the exponent. Okay, my heroes. And the next question. Muhammad Bilal.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Muhammad, go ahead.
8.
Where is the 8? Oh, you mean you will add 6 plus 2? But you should simplify the expression by first using distributive property with this term. Right? You should simplify this first. So multiply the 2 by the first term and multiply it by the second term. So we have 6 plus
7
equals
14.
so 14 what? 14 what? 14x minus
14x minus 6.
Okay, now do you have like terms?
8
Which
plus 6.
6 and 6, right? These two are like terms. So why did you say plus? It's minus. Muhammad, it's 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0, exactly. So we have left only 14x. Thank you, Muhammad. So the correct choice is this one. Any problems, my heroes? Any questions?
No, Mister, there is no question.
Mr.
Yes? Yes? Any problems, my heroes, about this homework? Okay.
No.
Now let's go back to the book. And here we have question number 1. In question number 1, the like terms are 3x and 5x. Okay? Okay, for this question, I will use this page. Jose is X years old. His brother Felipe is 2 years older than Jose. Their aunt Maria is 3 times as old as Felipe. Write this and simplify an expression that represents Maria's age in years. So to start, we need to organize the given information and write an expression that represents each person's age in years. For this, I will use a table. We have the first one, Jose. He is X years old. So the expression is X. And we have Felipe is 2 years older than Jose. What's the meaning of 2 years older than Jose? Means 2 years plus Jose. And Jose is x. So 2 plus x, or x plus 2. We add 2 to the x. So the expression is x plus 2. Now we have Maria also. And her age is 3 times as old as Felipe. So what is the meaning of 3 times as old as Felipe? We should multiply 3 by the age of Felipe, which is x plus 2. So we need to multiply 3 by the quantity x plus 2. And now, let's simplify the expression that represents Maria's age. So simply, we can use distributive property and multiply 3 by the first term and multiply 3 by the second term. So 3 times x equals 3x, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Maria's age in years is represented by the expression 3x plus 6. To check your answer, you can do something here, like using a number for Jose's age, and check if it will give you the same answer in the question, in the main question, and in your expression. So here, if Jose is 10 years old, then Felipe is 10 plus 2, 2 years more, so 12 years old. And Maria is 3 times that age, so 3 times 12, which is 36 years old. Now, we should get the same answer, 36, when we evaluate 3x plus 6 when x equals 10. Let's try it. We will substitute 10 for x, so it will be 3 times...
Teacher Ibrahim, can I say?
Yes, Ibrahim, it's clear here, I think. 3 times 10?
Yeah, 3 times 10 plus 6, 36.
Exactly. So we have 3 times 10 is 30, plus 6 is 36. So we get the same answer, 36, if we use the age 10 years old for Jose. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Okay, now I will send to you the practice link. So let's go ahead, combine like terms. So we have a and 2a, these two are like terms. 2a plus a is 3a, so 3a plus 7. We should multiply 3 by the quantity 2x plus 6 by using distributive property. Multiply 3 by the first term and the second term. 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times 6 is 18. So the correct choice is 6x plus 18. Any problems?
This session is recorded.
Fahd, if you have any problems, tell me. If you don't, do not use your mic, my hero.
Mr. I asked about if this session are recorded.
You are what?
The session, did it is record?
Yes, I'm recording this session, my hero, of course. Okay, 7 times 5x is 35x, and 7 times 1 is 7. And don't forget to use the same sign, minus. So 35 minus 7. 35x minus 7. 8 multiplied by 3x minus 1. So 8 times 3x is 24x minus 8 times 1 equals 8. Simplify the expression, multiply 3 by the first term and the second term and also the third term. So 3 times 2h is 6h, 3 times 3c is 9c, 3 times 2 is 6. Any problems? Okay, for this one, 2x and 7x are like terms. 2x plus 7x is 9x. So it's 9x plus 1. Any problems? Any questions? Okay, thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow and goodbye.